Can you say hi to Grandma? She says she misses you very much. Can you say hi? Can I take this out? Can we talk? Can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi. I'm trying to say something. What are you saying? Did you have a good breakfast? Uh-oh, you dropped your ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, well. Can you say bye at least? That's not your pacifier. That's the clip. You can't suck on that part. Oh, it's very interesting. What is it? Throw your toy out of the way. I got it. What are you doing? You're not even sucking on it. There you go. Good job. Okay. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. You wave. Bye. Wave. Bye. Bye. Love you, Grandma. Bye-bye.